Welcome to Tata Housing. Today we are presenting you our luxurious ready-to-move-in project Rio De Goa. This is the lobby area where we have a passenger lift and a service lift. The main staircase and a fire exit. We show you the sample apartment, which is a 808 square feet. This is the foyer area. Entering into the living room with an attached balcony. Pretty spacious one, vitrified tiles, acrylic paint, dining area with an open kitchen concept. This is the common washroom. Children's bedroom. Going into the master bedroom. Both the rooms have French windows. There's an attached washroom here. Anti-skid tiles and premium range of Jaguar washroom fittings. This is an 808 square feet carpet area, 2 BHK large and